So over the years, there's been a number of storms that have affected the Huntington community, most recently in 2006, and then Hurricane Lee in 2011. So there was a need to build the levee to overall protect the community from that flooding. The levee project itself is composed of 3 different components. You have the levee, you have the ponding area that collects the water, and then you also have the pump station. And with the purpose of the pump station, it's collecting all the water that's coming into the community and is able to pump it out into Cameron Run. Today is the culmination of what a wonderful process that we've been able to go through to actually provide the community with this levee. So in future years to come, the levee will protect the community from a 100-year storm.
Boy, we are here to celebrate. This is a long time coming and something that, at least for those of us who've been around a long time, weren't sure was ever going to come. But Jerry Highland is the man of the hour that made this happen. Well, we have a dream, and that dream for Mount Vernon District was really, the torch was lit by Jerry, and a lot of the groundwork, literally the groundwork to build the basic infrastructure was started by Jerry.
I also want to congratulate our Fairfax County team. And when I say team, it means the community who was involved from day one, our Department of Public Works staff, our fire and rescue, police, the contractors who worked on this project, your elected officials. When our Team Fairfax, comes together, great things happen.
And then the hard part was to figure out how to pay for it. My recollection is that the bond referendum was, I think it was $30 million. That bond referendum that year sailed through. It passed by the largest margin of anything else that was on the ballot.
People look at Fairfax County as being many things, many people, but let's be frank. This community is a community of lower to middle income people, and if people ask us what we do or what we've done to help and keep lower middle income people in this community, one of the best examples that I can point to is what we did here to keep this community as whole. So I thank you for those of you who put me in this position years ago to have a chance to, quote, do the right thing. And I guess my final words are to this community: let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1.